In 1968, two ambitious engineers, Gordon Moore and Robert Noyce, planted the seeds of Intel right in the heart of Silicon Valley. Just 3 years later, they dropped a bombshell on the tech world, the Intel 4004, the very first commercial microprocessor. Imagine, one tiny chip suddenly made computers accessible, affordable, and way more powerful. Fast forward to the 90s and 2000s, and Intel wasn't just a company. It was a movement. The Intel Inside sticker found its way onto almost every PC you could buy. Pentium chips, the Core series, if you had a computer, odds are Intel was the brain behind it. They dominated the scene, setting the pace for the rest of the industry. But nothing lasts forever. The digital world started to shift. Smartphones and tablets took over, and Intel just missed the memo. While competitors like AMD, TSMC, and Samsung sprinted ahead with new tech and smaller, faster chips, Intel found itself stuck. The king of microchips suddenly had to play catch-up. Now, Intel's in full comeback mode. They're pouring billions into building new factories and have governments in the US and Europe backing them up. They're not just doubling down on processors anymore. Now it's all about AI, graphics, and even autonomous driving tech. The big question is, can Intel pull off another comeback and lead the pack again? From changing the world with a single chip to battling just to stay relevant, Intel's journey is one wild ride. And honestly, this next chapter isn't just about Intel's future. It could shape the direction of technology for all of us. Stay tuned.